wildlife sanctuaries. These are the protected areas which are meant for the protection and providing safe breeding grounds for the animals जो IUCN की लिस्ट के मुताबिक threatened हों या endangered लिस्ट में हो. The wildlife sanctuary which is present in Baltistan is named as Baltistan Wildlife Sanctuary. जिस तरह नाम इंडिकेट कर रहा है कि इसका जो मेजर जोन है इसकी एग्जिस्टेंस का वो बल्तिस्तान है. अगर हम इन पर्टिकुलर हों तो इट इज़ एग्जिस्टेड इन स्कर्दू. स्कर्दू में भी दो मशहूर विलेजेस हैं, ये उनमें उनके दरमियान में एग्जिस्ट करती है. एंड द टू नेम्स ऑफ द विलेजेस जो स्कर्दू में हैं दे आर द रोंदू एंड सेनेगस इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्कर्दू. It is present in the Baltistan region of northern Pakistan. With reference to the Indus River, it is situated at the south of the river. It covers a lot of area and the area is more than 41,000. So it's exactly 41,500 hectares. There is a very important fact about this wildlife sanctuary, that it is contiguous with the Astor Wildlife Sanctuary. That means that the two wildlife sanctuaries, they are overlapping at various places. Hence, the existence of animals, their habitat, their overall जो strategy है of the animals, that is similar. The core objective of the Baltistan Wildlife Sanctuary is to protect and to conserve and to provide safe breeding grounds to the threatened species. In threatened species में, because it is overlapping with their store wildlife sanctuary, so the animals are almost similar. The animal includes in this sanctuary is snow leopard, brown bear, lynx, Tibetan wolf, Tibetan sand fox, markhor, bharal, and Siberian ibex. Apart from the mammalian fauna, there is a variety of avifauna present over there, and it is an estimate that there are more than 109 species of birds they are existing there, and they include the warblers, the buntings, and the redstart. These wildlife sanctuaries, they are actually providing safe breeding grounds to these birds so that they can grow in their number and they may be comes out of the threatened or endangered list.